Okay, we're going to start this session with a sort of a puzzle. It's called a 9-dot problem, or it's a puzzle. And here are the 9 dots, right, big dots. And here is the rule. You're supposed to connect all the dots by making 4 straight lines, but without lifting your pen or pencil if you're using it, and without retracing along any lines. Okay, 4 straight lines, no lifting of your pen, and no retracing along any lines. So all these 9 dots must go through. Now you may want to pause, give yourself 5 to 10 minutes, okay, to try this puzzle. What's the solution? Well, can draw one straight line down, but go way past term dot, then go up again, go way past the 9 dots, come back to the first dot, and go straight down to the so-called corner dot here. So you have 4 straight lines. Okay, we did not leave the pen or pencil, and we don't retrace any line. The idea is not the solution. So if you have seen the solution before, well, it doesn't really matter. What does the solution actually tell us? Well, the problem, which is the 9 dot, did not actually prevent you from going outside the dot. That's not the question. The puzzle did not say that you cannot go beyond the 9 dots, but we actually see the dots as our boundary. So we set this boundary, we create this boundary by ourselves, right? And when we really analyze this problem, right, and ask ourselves, what do we actually learn? Well, we learn 2 things. Well, firstly, during this 5 to 10 minutes time, students that did not seen the solution before, well, you get stressed, some of you get angry, frustrated, okay, because you probably try multiple rounds and even experience distress. All these are wasted energy. Okay, so when we can't find a solution, okay, sometimes we just have to take a broader view of the problem. Did we actually create the boundary ourselves, just like this 9 dot? Or can we think outside the box? Can we go beyond that? Is there another angle, another way to solve this problem, right, that we probably have not seen it before? So it tells us that basically, actually the boundary may be bigger, the solution may exist. We just have to break out of our old habit of seeing, thinking, and maybe the action that we take, right? And a lot of time we will realize that we create our own boundary, and because we create this boundary, we get stuck. Now, of course, this puzzle is actually obtained from a book, all right, that handle stress through daily life stress, well-being. Okay, you will find a lot of this puzzle being used. We are just using this to think about going outside the box. We are trying to control our emotion, especially when we hit difficulties. All right, and we also want to always remember, don't create our own boundaries. Right, never create the boundary for ourselves.